Today we'll cover more ideas for getting better results from our Google searches. Adding internet domain extensions into our search criteria can increase our results. What are domain extensions? Well, we're talking about domains that end in .com, .org, .gov, .edu, etc. We'll learn how to search today basically the .gov and the .edu websites. So let's try a quick exercise. In this video we're using the Chrome browser. Google is our default search engine. That means we don't have to open a Google page in order to conduct a search. We can just come up here into the address bar and start typing our search criteria. So we're going to type in site:*star.gov and the word grants. That means we're going to search for grants on the governmental sites. And then I hit enter and you get a whole bunch of results. When we scroll down, we'll see that those results are limited to websites that end in .gov. They're all governmental sites, and that's what we conducted. If we come all the way down, we find that we have a whole bunch more results down here. There are links to many more additional results. So keep in mind that .gov websites are a great resource. Let's try another one. This time let's do some educational sites. So what we type in is site:*star.edu, and then our search criteria, which we want cell phone games. That's just, we're using that for an example. And we click enter. As we scroll down, you see that we're getting a lot of results from our educational websites. Our college students, they're a tremendous resource for us. So one of your takeaways for today should be to remember star.edu, site:*star.edu, to search college websites. Also, site:*star.gov to search government websites. The final thing we want to cover today is using Google to search a specific site. For example, we can use Google to search sites like wikipedia.org or cbs.com or imdb.com, which IMDb is the Internet Movie Database. So let's try a couple of examples. Let's type in site:*wikipedia.org space COVID space 19 quote, and then hit enter. And you see we're getting results from wikipedia.org all about COVID-19. Let's try another. This time let's go to the Internet Movie Database, site:*imdb.com space Ben space Affleck ;, and hit enter. And here we get IMDb articles about Ben Affleck. So this technique is powerful. It gives you more of what you want and less of what you don't want. So that's it for today. I encourage you to keep on searching and keep on learning. Keep checking back with us as we'll be publishing more videos. See you later.